Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol AI Marketo, which is a brand new first to market AI and machine language based technology that auto creates business boosting sales copies, VSLs, marketing ads, email swipes, graphics and many more with zero prior tech or marketing skills and make you huge profits daily. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $5,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hello there, welcome to AI Marketo, and I'm Rahul Gupta, and I'm going to explain you the entire structure of the software before we go into the live demo video of AI Marketo. So AI Marketo comes with two dashboards. So this is the main dashboard where you have the layout of projects, one area for developers where they can create master level API key or the application specific or the project specific API key. Then you have the teams part. If you have other team members to invite, you can also track all your usage of tokens, credits, and the costs and all the commands that you have run through the tool using the history tab. Then you have the agency reseller tab, the plan and billing, where you can see what plans you have bought from us and some other settings, right? So this is the main dashboard, but there are two dashboards inside the software, and the other dashboard is the project dashboard. So if you want to enter inside the project dashboard, you have to create a project. So you can just click here, and create your first project. Once you do that, you can select your first project like this, and then you will be entered into the project dashboard where you will be thrown to this screen. So this is the done for you workflow, and since we are proud to create this workflow feature that is very advanced because it has several steps that are completely done for you, and these steps are very advanced. So in this video I am not going to show you how the workflow works, because the idea and the goal of this video is to make you understand the software architecture and the structure on where you can find what things. So there are basically hundreds of tools inside the software in different industries like social media, e-commerce, SEO, product copywriting, company, audio, right? So you have all these 100 tools, right? And you must have seen all these 100 tools in other AI softwares as well. But what we differentiate from others into ourselves is that we have created such a technology, such a revolutionary thing, that it doesn't matter in which industry or in which category your business or your product or your service falls. You can write your own workflow from our system. We have just basically give you the entire framework to write your own workflow. So you just give your workflow name and define the number of steps it had and give it a description. So just click on that and all the steps will start to come out here. And once you create some workflows, you can see all your managed workflows that are here, and this is the workflow responses. So this is basically the workflow if you want to create your own, right? But there are some nice workflows that are done for you. So basically right now it's 31 and you can have a look that they are from different industries and each one of them solves different purpose. So for example, investor pitch deck, it has 11 steps and we have solved this. So you can just preview it and you see that if you just give it a small description or anything, it gives you all these nice information in 11 steps, right? So it explains your idea, then it gives you a problem statement, then the solution to the problems, then the market opportunity and potential, competitive analysis, business model, team and expertise, traction and milestones, and then there are some other steps like funding requirements and conclusion, right? Similarly, according to this DFI workflows, you can also check other things. For example, if I want to be writing the emails, then I can just click on preview. So it is going to define my topic and then it is going to generate some emails for me, right? So this workflow can generate the emails for you. Then this workflow can generate business idea researcher. It can create presentations for you. So there are multiple types of done for you workflows for any kind of task. Even we have some other crazy workflows like ads writer for e-commerce, then the testimonials, reviews and critiques creator, or any different kinds of workflows, right? So this is done for you workflow, which you can preview and just copy any of our workflow into the account in order to use it, right? And all this data will be generated automatically on autopilot without any troubles or hassles, right? Then there are 100 tools dashboard, which is located just right here, and you have all these different tools which you can also search from here. So for example, if you want to find some tools on Facebook, then you can also have all these Facebook tools searched here. Then if you want to have something for e-commerce, you can just search here for e-commerce, and it is going to show you the things from there, right? And not just that, we have also providing different kinds of media based tools. So these 100 tools are mostly text based tools where you can generate maybe post for social media, or writing a blog, or copywriting, doing the copywriting or any other things. But what if you want to work on image formats and audio formats, right? So there are several tools for audio. One of these is transcriber, where you will be simply inserting any audio files or any kind of video inputs, and then the system is gonna give you the transcriptions of those, right? So you can instantly convert any audio or video input into a text based output which you can export, and use this to maybe generate articles for you, or maybe you don't have time to watch a 30 minutes video, you just want the transcripts of that, and you can just do that, right, using the transcribe part. So you just go here, you have different upload options, and you can also import directly the YouTube videos, and it is going to give you the entire transcriptions from there. Then you have speech to text, where you can simply speech in front of the mic, and after that it is going to give you speech to text, right? So whatever you will say or whatever you will speak, it is going to give you all the transcriptions over there. So for example, if I just click on the microphone here, hi, I'm Rahul. So as you can see, it easily understands and writes as you speak anything towards it. Okay, awesome. So this is speech to text. Then if you have your own transcriptions ready, then you can convert your text to speech. You just put your text here and select all the different AI models, and male and female according to different countries. So you select your language, and it is going to give you all the different kinds of language models, and you can also preview any of them.
Hi, my name is Joey. I will read any text you type here.
I hope you can listen this preview over here. So there are different kinds of audio tools that are incorporated in this, and then there are image generation tools. So you just go here inside the AI image generation. So you just enter whatever image you want to create. You just enter a short description of your image, something like this maybe, and then just select the format and select the number of images and click on generate. So it is going to generate awesome images for you, right? So you just give your text and the image result will be ready. Not just that, once you have created this, you can always manage your arts from there, and then there is a built-in designer right inside the software for you. So you can do editing with that. You can create some variations of the same image, then you can do the out painting, the in painting, and of course you can download it, right? So let me show you how our designer works. So you just click on that, and there is this image designer loaded here. So you can add your texts here, or you can do some other things like drawing the shapes or the stickers over here. So you just insert any kind of sticker over here, change the background, opacity, outline, shadow. So you can do plenty of things over here in terms of image editing. And once you are done, you just click on done, and then the image is going to get downloaded to your computer, right? Okay, so here is the image, and after that it doesn't just stop here. So there is also a built-in page builder right inside the software, right? So you just click on the page bingo. Sorry. So if you do not have access to this product, you have to of course buy this product, but this is our proprietary AI page builder where it has 200 plus templates over here. So I will cover that in a separate demo video, but this is what I'm telling you. This has also the AI page builder, which can be easy to use for any kind of website designing. And then there is this stock explorer. Sorry. So there are different types of tools and so many things out there inside the tool. So I hope you now understand how the structure of the software is. In the next video I'm going to cover the entire demo of this in step-by-step process. Thank you.
So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.